Homemade mozzarella cheese. Do not buy more mozzarella cheese. Make it at home. This recipe is easy and quick to make. I'll start adding a liter of milk in the blender. It may be the milk of the brand you prefer, but it has to be whole milk. Then I will add 200 grams of cornstarch, or also known in some countries as cornstarch. Now I will cover and liquefy everything very well, for 1 minute. Guys, this homemade mozzarella cheese is very easy to make and looks delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Once well liquefied, I will remove the glass and add this mixture in a stainless steel skillet over medium-low heat. And I will mix for a minute, until the milk is warm. When the milk is warm, I will add 200 grams of butter to it, although it may also be margarine, but the butter will be much better, and I will move constantly until the butter melts. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Thandika Zibi from South Africa, also for Josette Tria from Philippines, and Lena Violet from Ukraine. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Already melted, I will add a teaspoon of salt. Although the butter contains salt, it is necessary to add a teaspoon, but you must try it before, in order to avoid salted mozzarella cheese. Next, I will add 200 grams of sliced mozzarella cheese. Although I think it is absurd to add mozzarella to a homemade mozzarella cheese that we are making, it is necessary, since this slice of cheese will give it a better finish, and I will mix well until you get to the point. Friends, I recommend making this homemade mozzarella cheese, because we are going to spend 200 grams of mozzarella, but the result will make 2.5 kilos of cheese. This is the point we are looking for, that thickens, and that does not stick to the pan. In a plastic container, I will add all the mixture of the pan, spreading it very well, so that it is uniform. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love mozzarella cheese, to send you a very special greeting. Now I will cover the container with fit paper, and take it to the fridge for 3 hours, but if you can leave it longer, much better, so the mozzarella is more compact. And already our homemade mozzarella cheese is ready. We have made 2.5 kilos of mozzarella. This is an easy and quick recipe to make, although I would like you to rate this recipe, from 0 to 10, to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoayan. Activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.